So my topic is when I become a millionaire.
Your story, what was your story?
And I achieve everything in life.
So my first question to the team is, this is team 3.
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's the team lead? Team leader कौन है? Okay. Emoji selector. Okay. Creative lead. Hurrier. Timekeeper.
You, Shiva.
Okay. And presenter. Okay. Take your sheet. Present it in front. Start your story. What was your story?
So good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon ma'am. I am Alina Harshli from team 3. Thanks to all my team members to selecting me as a representative. As you can see through the emojis, it's something related about money. So my topic is when I become a millionaire. So becoming a millionaire is not an easy task. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon as itself. It is not something you can achieve in 1 to 3 days. So like all the other jobs or all the other fields, first and foremost thing I believe that you have to start with a big dream. So here it is. You have to start with a big dream, with a big goal, with a clear and concise goal. And you have to work hard for it. You have to stick to it. You have to put yourself each and every day. You have to put the same efforts no matter what. Sometimes you will feel exhausted. Sometimes you will feel like it's not my cup of tea. Sometimes you will feel that why I'm doing this. A lot of questions will arise in your mind. So this is the most difficult thing in this field. That is setback. That is the point number 3. So to overcome this, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that no, I can do this. And all of this will eventually lead to be a millionaire, to be our goal. So after becoming a millionaire, that's not it. You have to maintain it. You have to keep it. So you have to invest in it. You have to make an investment in it, and you have to make an investment to make it. And that's not it. You have to give back what you learned. You have to share it in your community, in your society, that whatever you learn, your education, so that you can be beneficial for the society. So you have to give back. And last but not least, the most important thing is to stay grounded. You have to be straight grounded. You don't need to be overconfident. Know that I'm the best and I achieve everything in life. You have to be stay grounded to maintain this peace. Thank you.
Okay. Good. So my first question to the team is, what was that one challenge which you faced as teammates?
And doing the work. We all face that we have to achieve it in a proper time. So we all face time-related issues.
Okay. And were you able to achieve it smoothly? Yeah, there were a lot of hurdles.
No, we are able to achieve it very smoothly. All the team members are very cooperative, very helpful. We did it on the time, even before the time. We actually did it very early, and when we have leftover time, we use it in practice. Like I'm practicing with her, she's giving me feedback that I'm doing okay, I'm confident, and she boosts my confidence a lot. So thanks to her.
Okay, good. Team 4. Yes, you can keep this here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.